In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store chats under a project in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. If you're juggling multiple ideas or clients, organizing your conversations inside projects keeps everything tidy and easy to find. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can stay focused on the work, not the hunt for past threads. First, look to the left-hand sidebar on your ChatGPT dashboard. Think of this area as your central navigation hub. Here, you'll see your list of projects. This is where related ideas live together, so you don't have to sift through a cluttered general history later. Take a second to identify the project section and get comfortable with how it lists your workspaces. Next, select the workspace where you want your conversation to live. Click on the specific project name, like a topic-focused folder for web development or content strategy. Before you start typing, pause and confirm you're in the correct project. Verifying context now means your chat will be correctly stored and searchable in the right place when you come back. Inside the project, you don't need to manually create a new thread. Instead, find the text input field at the bottom of the project workspace. Type your first message and hit enter. That initial interaction automatically creates a new chat entry inside the project, so your conversation is scoped correctly from the very first prompt. To make these chats effortless to revisit, be intentional with your first message. The system often uses it to generate the chat title. A clear, specific opener, like generate a Python script for web scraping, makes it obvious what the thread contains. Aim for phrasing that includes the task, the tool or language, and the goal. The more precise your opener, the better your auto-generated title and the faster you'll find it later. As you continue the conversation, everything you and ChatGPT exchange remains scoped to that project. This keeps your research, drafts, and iterations bundled together. When you're ready to pick up where you left off, return to the left sidebar, open the project, and select the relevant chat from the list. You'll land right back in context with your previous prompts and responses intact. A quick but important reminder on security. Avoid including sensitive personal or corporate information in your prompts. Keep your requests focused on the technical or creative work itself, and omit details that aren't necessary to complete the task. And that's it. Using projects to store chats streamlines your workflow and makes it easier to stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the